How to Earn from Scratch to $10,000. Introduction. Welcome to our video today, where we're going to talk about a topic that's crucial for your financial future, starting from scratch and building your way up to $10,000. Everybody dreams of financial stability and the freedom it brings, but how do you go from zero to $10,000? That's the question we're going to answer today. So if you've ever wondered how to start building your financial future from the ground up, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Setting financial goals. Why $10,000? To begin our journey from scratch to $10,000, we need to start with a fundamental step, setting clear financial goals. You might be wondering why we've chosen $10,000 as our target. Well, there's a good reason for that. Firstly, setting financial goals is essential because it gives your financial journey a purpose and a direction. It's like having a roadmap that guides you toward your destination. Now, why $10,000? While it's true that financial stability means different things to different people, $10,000 is often seen as a significant milestone. It's a sum that can have a real impact on your financial life. Imagine having $10,000 in your savings account. You can use it as an emergency fund, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. It's a peace of mind fund. Or you could consider investing in it. With smart investments, that $10,000 can grow over time, helping you achieve long-term financial goals like buying a home or funding your child's education. And for some, it might be the key to becoming debt-free. Paying off high-interest debts can free up your income and put you on the path to financial freedom. So, that's why we've set our sights on $10,000. It's an achievable goal that can truly transform your financial future. But remember, the journey starts with that first step of setting a clear goal. Budgeting and saving. Now that we've set our sights on the $10,000 goal, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of how to make it happen. And the first step on this journey is budgeting and saving. Budgeting is like a financial GPS. It helps you keep track of where your money is going and where you want it to go. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. This means jotting down everything you spend money on, from your morning coffee to your monthly rent or mortgage payment. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, it's time to create a budget that aligns with your $10,000 goal. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds toward your savings. A crucial part of reaching your goal is consistent saving. Treat your savings goal like a monthly bill that must be paid. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend that money elsewhere. Cutting expenses. Now that we're in the savings mindset, let's dive into the art of cutting expenses. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar closer to your $10,000 goal. One of the most effective strategies for cutting expenses is to identify unnecessary or frivolous spending. Take a close look at your monthly expenses and ask yourself, do I need this, or is it more of a want? Things like dining out frequently, subscription services you rarely use, or even impulse shopping can often be trimmed down. Embracing frugality is another key to success. It's not about depriving yourself, but making conscious spending decisions. For example, consider buying generic brands instead of name brands at the grocery store, or cooking at home instead of dining out. Let's not forget the little things that can add up over time. Let's say your daily coffee run might cost more than you realize. Brewing your coffee at home can save you a significant amount in the long run. Also, consider your monthly bills. Are there services you're paying for but not fully utilizing? Canceling unused gym memberships or negotiating lower rates for internet and cable can free up extra cash for your savings. Remember, it's all about prioritizing your goal of reaching $10,000. By trimming down unnecessary expenses, you'll get there faster than you think. Increasing income. While managing your expenses is crucial, there's another powerful side to the financial equation: increasing your income. Earning more can significantly speed up your journey to $10,000. One effective way is by exploring side hustles or freelancing. In today's gig economy, there are plenty of opportunities to turn your skills or hobbies into extra income. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or driving for a rideshare service, these gigs can put more money in your pocket. Moving on. Let's take a look at a few side hustles you can explore to increase your income. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project by project basis. This could be anything from writing a graphic design to web development or digital marketing. Number 2, gig economy jobs. These are short-term jobs or gigs that you can pick up when you have spare time. Examples include driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, delivering food with services like Uber Eats or DoorDash, or becoming a TaskRabbit for various tasks. Number 3, online surveys and market research. Many companies pay for consumer opinions. You can sign up for online survey platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid for sharing your thoughts on products and services. Number 4, content creation. If you have a talent for creating content, you can start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. With enough views, subscribers, or readers, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Number 5, print on demand and merchandise. If you're creative, you can design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them through platforms like Printful or Redbubble. These services handle printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on the designs. Number 6, online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, consider tutoring online. Platforms like VIP Kid connect you with students who need help with English language learning. Number 7, remote work and virtual assistants. If you have administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to businesses. Websites like Upwork and Remote.com list remote job opportunities in various fields. Number 8, reselling. This involves buying items at a lower price and selling them for a profit. You can resell items on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Amazon. Remember, the best side hustle for you depends on your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can commit. Explore these options and choose one or more that align with your goals and lifestyle. Diversifying your income sources is also key. Relying solely on your day job might limit your earning potential. Investing in real estate, stocks, or starting a small online business can provide additional streams of income. Let's take a look at some examples of how you can generate additional income through investing in real estate, stocks, or starting a small online business. Number 1, real estate. Rental properties. Buying residential or commercial properties and renting them out to tenants can be a consistent source of income. For example, owning an apartment building or a vacation rental property in a popular tourist destination can generate rental income. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can invest in REITs, which are companies that own or finance income producing real estate in various sectors such as residential, commercial, or industrial. Investing in REITs provides exposure to real estate markets without the need to buy physical properties. Number 2, investing in stocks. Dividend stocks. Invest in stocks of companies that pay dividends on the regular. These dividends can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. For example, you might invest in well-established companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble, which have a history of paying dividends. Growth stocks. Purchase shares of companies that are expected to grow significantly over time. When these stocks appreciate, you can sell them for a profit. A classic example is investing in tech giants like Apple or Amazon, which have shown substantial growth over the years. Number 3, starting a small online business. Dropshipping. Create an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. When customers make purchases from your store, the products are shipped directly from the supplier. You make a profit on the price difference. For example, you could start a dropshipping business selling apparel, electronics, or home goods. Affiliate marketing. Build a blog or website around a niche or topic you're passionate about. Promote products related to your niche through affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates. When visitors make purchases through affiliate links, you earn a commission. Ebooks or online courses. If you have expertise in a specific field, you can create and sell ebooks or online courses. For example, if you're knowledgeable about digital marketing, you can write ebooks or develop video courses and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Udemy. Saving and investing strategies. Now that you're on your way to building your financial future, let's dive into some saving and investing strategies that can help you reach your $10,000 goal. If you're looking to grow your money, consider exploring various savings and investment options. Firstly, think about opening a high-yield savings account. These accounts often provide better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster while still being easily accessible. Additionally, you might want to explore certificate of deposit (CDs), which offer a fixed interest rate for a specific period, ranging from a few months to several years. They can provide higher interest rates compared to regular savings accounts, but they typically require you to lock in your money for the chosen term. Individual retirement accounts (IRAs) are another avenue to consider. There are two main types: traditional and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs offer tax benefits on contributions, while Roth IRAs provide tax benefits on withdrawals. Both are excellent options for saving retirement. Lastly, you can venture into the stock market. This involves investing in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). By investing in well-researched companies or diverse ETFs, you can potentially enjoy significant returns over time. Choosing the right investment vehicles. When it comes to choosing the right investment vehicles, there are some critical factors to consider. Firstly, think about your financial goals. Are you saving for short-term needs or emergencies? In that case, a high-yield savings account or a short-term CD might be the best bet. However, if you're aiming for long-term goals like retirement or substantial wealth building, then you should seriously consider the stock market. Diversification is also a crucial strategy. Don't put all your financial resources into a single investment. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk and increase the potential for rewards. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and patience. Keep your $10,000 goal in mind and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Stay consistent in your savings and investment efforts, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Now, I want to leave you with this. Your financial journey begins with a single step. Whether you're starting with just a few dollars or have a bit more saved up, the important thing is to start. Start saving, explore side hustles, and educate yourself about investing. The path to financial success is unique for each person, but with persistence and the right financial habits, you can achieve your goal of reaching $10,000. Thank you for joining us today on this journey. We hope you have found this information valuable. If you have questions or want more financial tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content that can help you on your path to financial success. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Abundant Insight.